know, it's and it's kind of one that we joke about, but I mean, we've seen busted teeth, lips laid open. Most of the time it's self-inflicted. But the broken nose, we kind of chuckle at that a little bit. It's getting soft. We're very That's not the funny part. The funny part is the beginning. You got that little string, but that's not really the funny part.
Good morning, everybody. It is a wet and drippy August morning here in the Appalachian Mountains, although the sun is starting to come out, and it's looking like it's going to be a beautiful day to go rafting with Ace Adventure Resort down the New River Gorge. Morning, gentlemen.
Morning.
How are we doing?
Great.
Done this before?
Yes, sir.
All right, very good, very good.
We're so happy to see that sun come out.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, come on, Chris.
What's up,
How you
Boy
doing, man?
Scouts?
All right.
I was talking to Agnes this morning. Normally, no, but we see a lot over the course of the especially.
I saw one like muscle-bound dude one time. I almost thought he could sit in the front and the middle.
Wow.
He was huge.
And the first boat in, we're going to work their way around this rock ledge over here on the right side of the river to where it funnels down this tongue. It picks up a bunch of speed. And here they go. All right, and of course, just downstream from Upper Railroad, we drop into, you guessed it, Lower Railroad.
On where Jimbo's boat is right there, that's kind of where you want to go.
Yep,
the rock's just right behind Jimbo right now, so you want to stay to the right of it.
Right of the rock?
Yeah. It's kind of straight where we're pointed at right now is where you want to go.
Most of that boat popped out.
Where I see most of the heads bobbing.
Yeah. Right on the left side of them is the rock I'm talking about. If you guys want to go ahead and hop on out, you can go ahead.
And I get to test my waterproof camera.
See you, Tom.
Hey, wait, don't go without me.
Later, Tom.
Are you supposed to go in front of us?
I'll go in front of you.
Okay.
That way I don't run you over.
I'll follow.
Yeah, you just follow us through. See these guys are probably going to wash in.
Yes!
Barry.
Yeah.
Yes!
Right.
Don't answer anymore. Oh boy. Where'd she go? Oh, here we go. That's gonna be cool. Oh, I see. Okay, that's enough of that.
That's Tom.
He can't see me because he's video. He's going to go right over the rock too.
There he goes.
You okay, camera.
Filming it. Cement tree.
Yeah, symmetry.
There's a big column there.
Yeah, it's cool if you go in the visitor center on that one side of the north side of the bridge. As soon as you cross the bridge on the right, they have a lot of old pictures and cool stuff in there too.
Which I said I want to do that.
Yeah.
It'd be
So
cool
we're
to see it
taking-
from both sides. It'd be under it and then go back on up.
You
Take
see
pictures.
that it's like 800 feet? Something like
870.
876.
He's got his number.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Yeah.
I just said that for him. He was thinking it.
We're gonna verify it.
It's 876 over the average river level.
Yep, which is what
Oh,
we're
okay.
at today. Let's go forward one. Hit that rock. Oh, no, not. These are the 200 cuts I was talking about.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go forward 3. This is our second little warm-up. It's called Ender Waves.
Oh, you can hit a rock, I see.
Not much today, but if you came out and it was like 6.5 feet, this has been one of the biggest hits of the day right here. You're like a 7-foot tall, just haystack wave.
Wow.
Let's go forward 2. Yep, the water level changes out here just a little bit, the whole river changes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you mean these are like people they go to fire?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. They'll scream at you, let's go stuff
Really?
at you. I've had
You're
girls
kidding.
flash me before.
Really?
Oh my God.
Well, that's all right.
Throw stuff at you. It's a show,
Flash.
that's for sure. You know, the sweet spot for dropping the water pole is in about 10 feet wide. If you miss that. Yeah, pretty fun.
Let's go forward 3 whenever you're ready.
You ready?
This is Upper Keeney. Last boring today. At high water, this raft, instead of being 3 different, becomes one big class 5 all the way through. We're going to spend about another 10 minutes talking about it on things like that. Let's go forward 3. I'm sorry guys, I'll try and speak up. This is our third warm-up, guys. This one's called Piece of Cake. Because of that rock straight ahead, it kind of looks like...
So we're warming up for what?
We're just a little bit bigger raft.
That you
Go forward one.
You're right, the water's really comfortable.
Yeah.
Not very cold.
And forward
in
2.
North Carolina.
Forward 2.
Is it cold in North Carolina?
We were in September.
Up, swimmer.